The hopes of Maryam Sanda regaining her freedom have been dashed a second time following the judgment of the Court of Appeal. An FCT High Court had on January 27, 2020, sentenced her to death by hanging for killing her husband, Biliamin Bello, at the Abuja residence. She approached the appellate court challenging the decision of the lower court, arguing that the charges against her were all hearsay. Sadly, that has also ended in futility, as the court dismissed her appeal, maintaining that she did kill her husband. Under Section 221 of the Penal Code, according to the judge, the offense of culpable homicide was punishable by death. The court noted that there was enough evidence pointing that she murdered her husband during a fight that ensued after she saw a nude picture of a girl on his phone. The judge, however, faulted the lower court for failure to rule on her preliminary objection before delivering judgment. Her counsel, Joe Gadzama, promised to challenge the judgment at the Apex Court.
We'll go to the Supreme Court and do our best and see if the Supreme Court, which is the last court in this country, will reverse the judgment. We have hope, and we believe that we have good grounds to go on appeal because, for example, no autopsy report was tendered in court, and we believe that there was no proper evaluation. And bearing in mind also there was no direct evidence against Maryam Sanda by any of the 6 witnesses produced by the prosecution. The entirety of the evidence against her was circumstantial. And in our own humble opinion, the circumstantial evidence was not cogent, was not compelling, was not convincing. There were contradictions here and there, and that evaluation of the bits and pieces of evidence to prove the 3 major and fundamental ingredients in the offense of culpable homicide punishable with death were not proved. So this is our contention, and we stand by that, and we're strong in our convictions, and we believe that it can go the other way, and we believe that we can reverse this judgment on appeal.
The appellate court has spoken, so we'll now be waiting for their next line of action. Defended the matter right from the High Court to this position. It's our court. We will wait for whatever it is, their case, then we'll respond appropriately, as we've just done in the instance.
All eyes are now on the Supreme Court to determine her fate.